Welcome to City Grill. My name's Rob Vore. In this episode, it's going to be an air fryer or air fried fish. No, we're not going to deep fry it. We're going to use an air fryer. Now, I've done this similar recipe out on the griddle. It's very good. So I thought, why not try it in the air fryer? So what I have here is a couple pieces of cod, right? Some nice white fish. And what I'm going to do is take some olive oil and just put some olive oil over this fish, just like so. Real simple to do. Got both sides, coat it pretty good, right? Go flip this bad boy over, hit this side as well. So now that the fish is coated with oil, a couple things you could do here differently, which is what I'm gonna do. I could take the seasoning, this is a good seasoning here. You can get the recipe at citygrill.com. Lots of good flavors on it. You could put it inside the breadcrumbs, but I'm gonna sprinkle kind of maybe just lightly like this all over the fish. I think then the seasonings are gonna enhance or taste more into the fish than if it's in the breadcrumbs, right? So I think what I'll do is just do it like this, just to change it up a little bit. Do it either way you wanna do. I'm gonna kind of maybe even combine it here. I think what I'm gonna do is get what I can on the fish, just like this. Then take the rest of these, the seasoning, put it inside the breadcrumbs, right? Mix it in there really well. What I noticed before is sometimes all the seasoning goes to the bottom of the pan here and you don't get any on the fish. So just changing it up slightly. So I have that piece of fish ready to go, seasoned really well, breadcrumbs on it. Get the other piece of fish in here as well. Season it up with the breadcrumbs all around it. And then we'll go over to the air fryer and fry these up. Okay, we're at the air fryer in the kitchen. I've already preheated this air fryer. This is the Ninja XL Pro or something like that. This should work in any air fryer. It's preheated at 390 degrees. I'm gonna place the fish fillets right onto this tray and go ahead and shut it up like so, and go ahead and turn it back on. I'm going to do it for about it's going to be 8 to 10 minutes on one side. I got it on air fry. It's on level 3 in this case, and I'm going to go ahead and start it. It's doing a slight preheat just because I had it open, but it's only lasts for a few seconds. Cook this, and then we're going to flip it to the other side. Let's check this. I actually cooked this for 9 minutes. I had it at 8 minutes, so I decided to add 1 more minute to it. I'm gonna try to flip this without breaking it all apart, but it looks delicious already. It smells wonderful. Oh yeah, it's starting to fillet apart. That way we know it's cooked through and through, right? Needs a little bit more time, right? So we're gonna cook it maybe 4 to 5 more minutes here. I think I'm gonna go right with 5 minutes. Go ahead and slide that back in. Reduce my time down to 5, 390 degrees, and go. All right, it's just about done. It's been another 5 minutes on the other side. Let's take a look. Wow, that looks nice. I'll get ready to plate these up, toast some buns up here and put it on my plate. All right, so I toasted some brioche buns, right? So I have that ready to go, and I decided to put a piece of cheese on mine, right? And I'm gonna, and I put it back in the toaster oven just to help melt it some more. So I'm just gonna place it on my bun, just like so. And I love lettuce and some tartar sauce on my fish sandwiches. Put whatever you like on yours. Dress it up just like that. Some baby lettuce here or something like that. I'm just gonna place those on there, and voila, we have an air fried, not deep fat fried, but air fried fish sandwich. Now this is too hot to take a bite, but I'm gonna have to do it anyways. It's gonna burn my mouth probably. Look at that. Oh, delicious. Excuse me. Get the recipe at citygrill.com. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is a simple, easy way to do a fish sandwich. Oh, it tastes wonderful.